Before you attempt to connect your LG CordZero A9 compressor cordless stick vacuum to your smartphone, verify that your home's Wi-Fi network is set up for 2.4 GHz. 5 GHz networks are not supported by LG A9 series stick vacuums. If you are not sure what network frequency you have, contact your internet service provider or refer to your wireless router manual for more help. Make sure your Wi-Fi network name does not contain non-English or special characters. Check the distance between the appliance and the wireless router. If the distance between the appliance and the wireless router is too far, the signal strength becomes weak. It may take a long time to register, or installation may fail. Please watch our video on wireless network and router setup to learn more. Make sure the stick vacuum's charging station is plugged into a dedicated power outlet. The stick vacuum must be set onto the charging station in order to activate the Wi-Fi function. Download the LG ThinQ app onto your smartphone. Turn off the mobile data or cellular data on your smartphone. This step is necessary when connecting a stick vacuum to the LG ThinQ app. Once downloaded and installed, open the LG ThinQ app. Select the plus button to add the stick vacuum. Take a moment to read and review the product connection guide to help further assist you on connecting your stick vacuum to your home Wi-Fi network. Press OK. Select the stick cleaner option. Read and follow the directions on the Connect product screen. At this point, go back to the unit and press and hold the Wi-Fi button for 3 seconds. The Wi-Fi signal indicator light will begin to flash. Next, choose your home wireless network. A login screen will appear, requesting you to enter your home wireless network's password. The app will begin to connect with your stick vacuum. Once connected, the stick vacuum will be added on your LG ThinQ app, and the Wi-Fi signal indicator light will become solid, and a tone will sound, letting you know the stick vacuum is connected. You can now check the status of your LG CordZero A9 compressor cordless stick vacuum from your smartphone. If you fail to connect your stick vacuum to the LG ThinQ app, check for the following. Watch our other videos to learn more about the LG CordZero A9 and A9 compressor cordless stick vacuums.